And what brings you to the 1 year programs in India? And basically, did you compare it with the MBA abroad, or what were the things that were important there?
So initially, I was open to both being in 1 year as well as 2 year program. So I got some acceptance in Canada as well, but decided not to pursue those because in the long term, I wanted to stay in the country. Even if I went to say US, Europe, Canada, anywhere, I wanted to come back to India because uh, I don't know, it's more like it's not just professional as well as personal. Like on a personal front, family would be here. I would want to be near my family. And on a professional front, I just feel that India is the next biggest, economy that's going to be like 21st century belongs to India. So there was no point of staying in US or Canada when the real growth and impact could be created in this country. Now, coming to the 1 year program, now since I would continue in India, the thing was that staying like already having worked for 5 years, staying away from the job for a couple of years was a bit of a stretch. If I can get that degree in an year and start my career journey, it would be better than to spend 2 years because it would be 2 years where I would not be earning, having earned money to obviously I have to get back to the job because parents are getting old, they'll retire, and then I need to be responsible for them. So I needed to get back to working as soon as possible. I wanted to start the track also where being on the younger side of my age, I could actually start my career towards the direction I want to pursue. So that's my reasoning for 1 year MBA in India.
Right.